If Discord is showing error 1006, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back into Discord as quickly as possible. This error is often caused by network issues, VPNs, proxies, or corrupted cache files. And the good news is that most people can fix it without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to completely restart Discord. Look down in the system tray near your clock, find the Discord icon, right-click it, and then click Quit. This is important because closing the window doesn't always fully shut Discord down. After that, reopen Discord, and if possible, run it as administrator. On Windows, you can right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Discord the permissions it may need to reconnect properly. Now, if the error is still there, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. Discord authentication servers and Cloudflare sometimes block VPN IP addresses. So if you're connected to a VPN, turn it off completely. If you're using a proxy, disable that as well. Then reconnect and try Discord again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because Discord can finally verify your connection normally. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to switch to a different network. The easiest way to test this is by connecting your computer to a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network. This helps you figure out whether the error is tied to your current internet connection or your IP address. If Discord works on another network, then the issue is likely with your home network, router, or ISP. At that point, restarting your router may also help, but first just test another connection if you can. Now let's clear Discord's cache, because corrupted cache files can also trigger error 1006. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type %appdata%\discord, and press Enter. A folder will open with Discord's local files. Inside that folder, look for the cache folder, the code cache folder, and the GPU cache folder. Delete all three of those folders. Don't worry, this will not delete your account or your server data. It simply removes temporary files that may be causing the app to behave incorrectly. Once those folders are deleted, restart Discord again and check whether the error is gone. If everything was caused by a temporary login or network conflict, Discord should now open normally. So to recap, the best fixes for Discord error 1006 are restarting Discord completely, disabling VPNs and proxies, trying a different network, and clearing the Discord cache. These are the most reliable first steps, and in most cases, one of them will solve the issue. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with another Discord error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.